I live here in Dock Holidays on this boat here, and just gonna ride the storm out and hope for the best. My main concerns today is just make sure all my stuff's tightened up and battened down, and then I'll walk the docks and check on everybody else's boats that's left. And you know, they had asked me, since I'm gonna be here, to watch their boats, so I'll walk the dock and check their boats and get everybody else ready. I've dealt with 80 and 90 mile an hour winds on the boat before at a worse dock than this. So this is really a good dock to be at during a storm like this. Well, this is my home, so I'm here to protect my home. So, you know, I'll have to stay.